morning assembly with loud clapping. Dear student, on what topic we are going to discuss written on your board? Means in today's parliament we are going to discuss triangle and its property. Okay? So we are focused on these topics. So what we have studied about triangle so far. First, recall all those properties which are already studied. What are triangles? You know very well. Triangles are polygons. Means a polygon having three sides is called a triangle. And how can you draw a triangle on your paper? You know very well. When you take three non-collinear points and you join all of them, then the figure which you get is called a triangle. Suppose that there are 3 points A, B, C, and what kind of point these are? These are non-collinear points because they don't lie on the same line. So, and these all points are lying in the same plane as well as don't lie on the same line. So when you join point A to B, B to C, and C to A, then the figure which you get is called a triangle. So you know very well about it. And you have already studied that you draw any kind of triangles, but sum of all these 3 angles will be equal to 180 degrees. One property, you know very well. Other property, any angle for its vertex, any angle which is formed, any exterior angle which is formed at vertex, then this angle is equal to the sum of these 2 remote angles. You know very well. And you know what is the relations of their sides. So any triangle, any sides of triangles will be always less than the sum of other 2 sides and greater than the difference of other 2 sides. Okay. In this parliament we are going to discuss how many kinds of triangle we have and what are their properties. So first of all, we classify the triangle on the basis of their angles and on the basis of their sides. And then one by one, we will know a special property of some special triangle. Okay? We will know more about it. But here, we will classify the triangle on the basis of their angle and on the basis of their sides first. So, we draw many triangles on the board and you have to identify which one is acute angle, which one is right angle, or which one is obtuse angle. But which triangle is acute, which triangle is right, or which triangle is obtuse. So this will be decided by the degree measure of their angles. And we will classify triangles on the basis of their side also. So we are going to classify the triangle on the basis of their angle. So there will be 3 kinds of triangle we have on the basis of their angles: acute angled triangle, right angled triangle, and obtuse angled triangles. Okay? Here we draw some triangles. Here, suppose that this is a triangle whose each angle is of 60 degree. Okay? Here is another triangles whose one angle is 120 and 30 and 30. Suppose that one triangles whose one angle is right angle and other 45 and 45. Here are three triangles. In this triangle, what you see, each angle is acute angle. The angle less than 90 degree, greater than 0 degree is called acute angle. So each angle of this triangle is acute angle. But one of this triangle is obtuse angle. And in this triangle, one angle is 90 degree. So on the basis of their angle, this triangle is called acute angle triangle. And this is called obtuse angle triangle. And this is called right angle triangle. Okay? Acute angle, इसको पढ़ेंगे ट्रायंगल ना, राइट एंगल triangle and obtuse angled triangle. Okay, so only three kind of triangles are possible. They are acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Any kind of triangle you draw, but the sum of its three angles will be always equal to 180 degree. So three kind of triangles are possible, which you can draw on the board or on your paper. First one is called acute angle triangle. So when triangle is said to be acute angle triangle, when each angle of that triangle is acute angle, in this case, what we call it? We call it acute angle triangle. And the triangle in which one angle is obtuse angle, means greater than 90 degree. In this case, we call it obtuse angle triangle. And when one angle of a triangle is right angle, in this case, what we call it? We call it right angle triangle. Okay. So we name triangles on the basis of their angles. So what is an acute angle triangle? You can define it very well. The triangle in which each angle is less than 90 degree और each angle is acute angle. वह त्रिभुज जिसका प्रत्येक कोण न्यून कोण हो, उस स्थिति में वह त्रिभुज न्यून कोण त्रिभुज कहा जाता है. वह त्रिभुज जिसका कोई एक कोण अधिक कोण हो, उस स्थिति में वह अधिक कोण त्रिभुज कहा जाता है. और वह त्रिभुज जिसका एक कोण 90 डिग्री हो, वह कोण समकोण त्रिभुज कहा जाता है. This triangle has very special property. Okay. So, how many kinds of triangles are possible in a plane? Only three kinds of triangles are possible in a plane. And what are they? They are acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. You cannot draw a triangle other than these three kinds of triangle. Okay. So how many kinds of triangle we have on the basis of their angle? कोनों के आधार पर हमारे पास कितने प्रकार के त्रिभुज होते हैं? Only three kinds of triangle we have on the basis of their angle. And what are they? They are
acute angle,
triangle
right angle triangle,
and
obtuse angle triangle.
okay. So three kind of triangles we have on the basis of their angles, right? So Once again, what kind of triangle it is?
acute angle,
What kind of triangle it is? And what kind of triangle it is? Now we draw other triangle and you have to decide what kind of triangle that is. Okay? So suppose that we draw a triangle DEF, means we join three non-collinear point DEF lying in the same plane. Then what kind of this closed curve? What we call it?
acute angle,
Triangle. But we have not mentioned triangles. Right? We mentioned it 70 degree, 30 degree, and 80 degree. So what kind of triangle it is? What kind of triangle it is? DEF. Okay, now we are going to draw another triangle whose one angle is right angle. In this case, what we call it? Yes, very nice, dear. And suppose that we are going to draw other triangles whose one angle is 105 degree, but other two angle is not mentioned here. No problem. But what kind of triangle it is? Oh, why you are calling it obtuse angle? Because it one angle is obtuse angle, one angle is greater than right angle. Because of it, we call it obtuse angle triangle. Okay? So, we proceed to next classifications of triangle on the basis of their sides. Okay? So, you read it. Now we are proceeding to next type of triangles, and that kind of triangles are named on what base? What are the base of naming that kind of triangle? Suppose that we draw a triangle, we will consider the length of the sides of triangle only. Right? When we are classifying triangles as a acute angle triangle, right triangle or obtuse angle triangle, in this case, what we are considering? We are considering only their angles, but we have considered the length of the sides of the given triangles. Okay? Suppose that this is a triangle DEA and its sides are 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 2 centimeters. Another triangles we have drawn XYZ whose sides are 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 8 centimeters. And we have drawn another type of triangles whose sides are 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 7 centimeters. Okay. Here we have drawn another triangles LMN whose sides are 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 5 centimeters. Okay? So, we have different kind of triangles, but we have to consider the length of their sides. If we consider the triangle this way, then we have only 3 kinds of triangles. We have, if we consider the length of their side only. In this triangle, what you see, the length of each side is not equal. Means the length of their side are unequal. Right? No two sides are equal. Each sides have different length. In this triangle, what you see, its two sides are equal, and in this case, all 3 sides are equal. So there are three possibilities of drawing triangles. Yeah, there are three possibilities. One possibility is that the triangles in which no sides are equal. Right? Second is possible only two sides are equal. And third is possible all three are equal. Okay? No equal sides, two equal sides and three equal sides. Right? There is no possibility other than three cases. Only three cases. Okay? So, the triangle in which three sides of unequal length. The triangle in which all its three sides have different length. In this case, what we call it a scalene triangle. विषम बाहु वह त्रिभुज जिसमें तीनों भुजाओं की लंबाई अलग हो. The triangle in which the length of all its three sides are unequal. In this case, what we call it a scalene triangle. And the triangle in which two sides are equal, it is called isosceles triangle. समद्विबाहु. इसे क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग हिंदी में? विषम बाहु. क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? विषम बाहु. और जिसकी दो भुजाएं बराबर हो उसे क्या बोलते हैं? समद्विबाहु. जिसकी दो बाह बराबर हो और इसे क्या बोलते हैं? समबाहु. Equilateral triangles. Equilaterals. All sides are equal, then we call it equilateral triangle. If we consider the length of any triangle which are drawn in a plane, then there are three possibilities. First possibility is that the triangle in which no sides is equal. Second is possible when two sides are equal. And third is possible in which all sides are equal. So the triangle in which all sides are equal is said to be a equilateral triangle. And the triangle in which two sides are equal, we call it isosceles triangle. And the triangle in which no sides is equal, what we call it? Scalene triangles. So we have three triangles on the basis of their angle: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and acute angle triangle. On the basis of their sides, we have also three kinds of triangle: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. Okay. Then we will study the property of equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangles have very nice property. We will study about its property, means we will know its property, but we are just classifying the triangles in three classes on the basis of their side and also on the basis of their angle. So now we draw some triangles on the board and you have to decide whether the given triangle is which one. Means isosceles, scalene or equilaterals. Suppose that we draw here a triangle whose all sides of 6 centimeters. These triangles, this is a triangle in which all sides of 6 centimeters. Then what kind of triangle it is, or what we call it? What we call it? इक्विलैटरल. हिंदी में नहीं बोल रहा है तो समबाहु बोलो. क्या बोलो? समबाहु. तो यह किस प्रकार का त्रिभुज है? समबाहु त्रिभुज. अंग्रेजी में क्या बोलेंगे? इक्विलैटरल. क्या बोलेंगे आप लोग? इक्विलैटरल. इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल. Okay? And what kind of triangle it is? 3 centimeters, 3 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Yes, in English what we call it? Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. And what kind of triangle it is? 3, 4, 6. What we call it in English? As scaled triangle. Okay? So, in this parliament, we know the kinds of triangle we have. So, we have 3 kinds of triangle on the basis of their angle, and they are acute-angle triangle, right-angle triangle, and acute-angle triangle. And in the same way, we have also 3 kinds of triangles on the basis of their side, and they are equilateral triangle, some of isosceles triangle, समद्विबाहु, और scaled triangle. ओके, तो भुजाओं के आधार पर हमारे पास कितने प्रकार के त्रिभुज हैं? और उनका क्या क्या नाम है? और कोण के विचार से या कोणों के आधार पर हमारे पास कितने प्रकार के त्रिभुज हैं? कौन? acute angle. सुनो ना, acute में क्विट लगा हुआ, क्विट का मतलब होता है बहुत सुंदर। तो कहीं न कहीं acute angle triangle में बहुत ही खूबसूरती है। इनकी खूबसूरती के बारे में जानेंगे। आखिर acute angle triangle को क्यूट क्यों कहा, क्यूट क्यों लगा हुआ है ना? तो इसकी गुणों के बारे में हम लोग जानेंगे। समद्विबाहु त्रिभुज में भी बहुत प्रकार के गुण पाए जाते हैं, उन गुणों के बारे में जानेंगे और समबाहु त्रिभुज के भी गुणों के बारे में जानेंगे। लेकिन आज के सदन में in today's math assembly what we have learned how many kinds of triangle we have on the basis of their angles and on the basis of their side. Okay, so once again you tell me how many kinds of triangle you have on the basis of angles. How many kinds of what? You tell the number. 3. And what are they? How many kinds of triangle we have on the basis of their side? Tell me. 3. What are they? What are they? Yes. So how? Yes. Equilateral angle triangle. Equilateral. समबाहु. Equilateral. फिर क्या इस्तेमाल होगा? दो भुजा जब बराबर हो. तो आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल, समद्विबाहु, और जिसकी कोई भी भुजाएं बराबर ना हो. Yes. So once again you tell me how many kinds of triangle you have on the basis of their side. बोलो, tell me. बोलो equilateral. Equilateral. और फिर कौन है? आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल। और फिर कौन है? स्केलेन ट्रायंगल। ओके, इनका नाम भुजाओं के आधार पर है। ओके ना? आप लोग देख लो किताब में, हालांकि उस में लिखा हुआ है ना, तो आप लोग देख लेंगे। फिर देख के बोले कोनों के आधार पर हमारे पास कितने प्रकार के त्रिभुज हैं? कौन कौन? बोलो, खड़ा बोलो।
राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ट्रायंगल
और
acute angle triangle।
वेरी फाइन। अब भुजा के विचार से हमारे पास कितने प्रकार के त्रिभुज हैं? कौन कौन बोलो? और स्केल ट्रायंगल, ओके ना? तो आज के सदन में we have learned how many kinds of triangle we have on the basis of their angle and on the basis of their side. In next parliament we will discuss about more property of triangle. तो आज हम इस सदन को यहीं पर स्थगित करते हैं, फिर अगले सदन में इतना ही उत्साह और जिज्ञासा के साथ फिर नए विषयों पर आपके साथ इसी तरह से मिलजुल करके फिर से चर्चा करेंगे।